Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to set up Stripe with Shopify. So this is fairly simple to do, and it involves Shopify payments as well. So as you can see, if we go here, this is basically instructions for your Shopify and Stripe connection, right? So all you have to do is log into your Shopify store. You need to click on your settings. After your settings, click on your payments, and in the accept credit card section, you can select Shopify payments. Now, we will use Shopify payments, but as you know, Shopify payments is connected to Stripe automatically. So as you can see, you will be able to accept credit card payments. Although Shopify payments use Stripe, you won't be able to view your Shopify payments in the Stripe dashboard. So after you're here, right, click on activate, and then you can click complete account setup. Then you can enter the various details and obviously submit, right? So you need to have a Shopify payments in order to basically connect, right, and set up Stripe with Shopify. So this is the only way you can set up Stripe with Shopify, unfortunately. And yeah, that's basically how it works. If you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.